Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of replacing the battery and fan in your HP 14BK laptop. Before we begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. First, power down your laptop and disconnect it from any power source. Flip the laptop over and locate the battery release latch. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws securing the battery. There are typically 3 screws to remove. Once the screws are out, gently slide the battery out of its compartment. Next, let's focus on the fan. You will need to remove the back cover of the laptop. This involves unscrewing several screws around the perimeter of the back panel. Keep track of these screws as they can be different sizes. Once all screws are removed, use your plastic spudger to carefully pry open the back cover. Be cautious not to damage any clips. With the back cover off, locate the fan. You will see a few screws holding the fan in place. Remove these screws with your Phillips screwdriver. After that, disconnect the fan's power cable from the motherboard. Gently lift the fan out of its compartment. Before installing the new fan, it's a good idea to clean the area. Use compressed air to blow out any dust and debris that may have accumulated. This will help improve airflow and cooling efficiency. If you're unsure about cleaning or replacing components, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Now take your new fan and place it into the compartment. Reconnect the power cable to the motherboard and secure the fan with the screws you previously removed. Next, it's time to install the new battery. Slide it back into its compartment and secure it with the screws. Ensure everything is tightly fastened to avoid any loose components. Once you've completed these steps, it's time to reattach the back cover. Align it properly and press down gently to snap it back into place. Finally, replace all the screws around the perimeter to secure the back cover. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your laptop. After everything is secured, flip your laptop back over and power it on. Check to ensure that the fan is functioning correctly and that the battery is charging. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. We provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front. And that's it. You've successfully replaced the battery and fan in your HP 14BK laptop. Enjoy your refreshed device. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.